Welcome to Junie's Book Nook. Bad Kitty Does Not Like Dogs by Nick Bruel. Published by Square Fish. Kitty has been busy. Now she wants to take a nap. But not Puppy. Puppy wants to play.
Puppy wants to play baseball.
Puppy wants to play basketball.
Puppy wants to play soccer.
Puppy wants to play chess. Even though Puppy does not know how to play chess. Kitty does not want to play with Puppy. Kitty does not want to play baseball.
Or basketball. Or soccer.
Or chess.
Kitty wants to take a nap. Kitty wants to play a game called Sleep. The player who can sleep the longest wins the game. On your mark, get set,
Sleep!
Too bad. Puppy loses the game. But Kitty wins.
Hooray!
Kitty does not like dogs. The end. Thank you for watching.